today in Genergy on the good ground there is a call from a customer. Also comments on the channel about the power station we were using to charge our car battery. You asked me where you got that cable from the lighter to the battery. Well, the one I used in that video that I leave you with the link here had been made, and I already tell you that it can be easily purchased. But let's learn how to do one, okay? And what materials do we need? Well, we need a lighter connector, this type 2 clamps, a little piece of cable that I have put here, one nemo. You get, okay? First we start, as I say, with the positive. We fill the little bit wet, there it is, we wet the positive, this one is there, and now we are going to weld in negative. Before welding in negative, we measure. Okay, this isn't here, so we're going to cut here and peel. Okay, there it is. We'll wait for it to cool down. We're going to weld the back while it cools down. That, for example, with this piece is enough, okay? And we take it out back here, there it is, and weld it. Well, let's mount the front. Look, once we have it soldered, the wires are fine. They don't stick the one to the other. Okay, you put this in here, you put it in the slot, you screw it in, and we already have a lighter metrostoma. Okay, well, we already have the cable L. The lighter connector, the 2 clamps and 1 meta, more information, and Genergy S and forbidden to stop learning.